Welcome to this gentle morning body scan with belly breath, a practice designed to awaken every part of you with care and intention. Whether you're lying comfortably in bed or seated upright, this meditation will help you greet the new day with presence and calm. Let's connect with the body, one breath at a time, setting a foundation for ease, energy, and clarity for the day ahead. If you're lying down, settle deeper into your bed. If seated, make sure your spine is tall, your shoulders relaxed, and your palms resting softly on your thighs, facing upwards. Close your eyes gently. Start by inhaling deeply. Let your belly rise, your ribcage expand. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension with a gentle sigh. Again, inhale fully. Feel your breath filling your lungs like fresh morning air. Exhale deeply with a long, soft sigh. Let's take one more deep breath together. Inhale deeply. And exhale slowly, perhaps allowing a natural yawn to rise. Now return to your natural breath. Feel your belly expand on each inhale and soften with each exhale. Bring your awareness to your toes and the soles of your feet. Imagine a gentle, golden warmth flowing into them like morning sunlight gently brushing over grass. Feel this soft energy filling your toes, soles, and heels, spreading warmth and life into your ankles. Your feet feel lighter and fully awake now. Let the warmth travel up through your calves and shins, as if sunlight is pouring into every cell. Notice any sensations, tingling, lightness, or ease. Bring awareness to your knees as they are bathed in this radiant energy, loosening and softening. Any stiffness melts away, leaving only calm presence. Feel this light expand into your thighs, bringing strength and vibrancy. Your legs, from your toes to your hips, are now fully awake and alive. Move your attention to your hips and pelvis. Imagine this warm energy gathering here, restoring balance and flow in this vital part of your body. Allow the energy to rise into your lower abdomen and lower back, gently energizing your core. Breathe into this space, filling it with light. Feel your stomach and ribs expand as you breathe, as if the light is filling every corner of your midsection. Your whole torso is alive and glowing. As you inhale, let your awareness move into your chest. Feel the light infuse your heart space, expanding warmth and love with every breath. Imagine this glow radiating outward from your heart, sending ripples of peace through your entire body and beyond, like the sun rising and spreading across the sky. Bring your attention to your shoulders, inviting them to release any tightness. As you exhale, feel them soften and melt. The warm energy flows down through your upper arms, elbows, forearms, and hands. Notice any tingling in your palms as they awaken. Know that with every person you touch today, you carry this radiant energy within you, spreading positivity and kindness. Shift your focus to your neck and throat. Let this light soften your voice, clearing any tension and allowing your words today to flow with ease. Now, the energy travels up through your jaw, cheeks, and face. Notice the subtle relaxation as it melts away any morning tightness. Feel this light fill your eyes, forehead, and scalp, awakening your senses fully. Your mind is now bright, sharp, and clear, ready for the day ahead. Finally, imagine a golden glow resting gently on the crown of your head. Connecting you to the infinite energy of the world around you. Take a moment to feel your entire body, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes, alive with energy and light. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, gently bring your awareness back to the room. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of warmth, presence, and energy with you throughout the day. If you enjoyed this meditation, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to Belly Breath. Your support helps us continue bringing more calm and healing into the world. Thank you, and have a beautiful day ahead.